technical director for Weld Mold. In that job, I weld materials, I analyze materials, I consult with customers, and insofar as assessing what their needs might be, make recommendations for materials, and determine what the best processes and procedures for them might be. My day-to-day consists of me showing up at work. I get telephone calls and emails that ask me about the type of welding that we do, asking for alloy recommendations, procedure recommendations. I help write procedures for customers. I go to customers' locations and train their welders to do what I do. I go out in the shop. I make test welds. The type of training that would be good to move into a position like I have is someone that wants to weld and someone who's experienced for welding. I started out, I didn't know which end of an electrode to use, and I worked my way up from being what is essentially just a laborer. It took about 2 years for me to get to the point where I was making top money and working on my own. A piece of advice I would give to a student that would be interested in working in the forging industry is to learn the forging process, generally. Not specifically, they'll get that when they go to work, but have some idea about what the industry requires. Because as a welder in that industry, you're going to have to know.